Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, June the 30th, last day of the month. Monday was no fun day. Markets got hammered. It was a tale of two sessions. Markets recovered early in the morning and then got beaten down the rest of the day. E-mini S&P down 45 points to 2050. The loss was 2 full percent. Dow futures down 353, 17,520 was a close. And the Nasdaq got hit the hardest, down 2.25%, down 102 points at 43.78. But let's remember, last Wednesday, just a couple sessions ago, all-time forever highs in the Nasdaq. So some unwinding. We'll see how things respond. The dollar was on both sides of the market, had a high of 96.40 with this Greek non-resolution. Ended up selling off, down 70 by day's end at 94.95. So amazingly, with this news or lack thereof, the euro currency ended up positive. Yesterday it was up 93 points at 112.65. The euro currency was positive. The session low was 109.62, so when it opened it was down 200 points, came storming back and more. The bond market saw a huge flight to quality, up 3 full points, 3.11, 3 and 11/30 seconds actually. 150.29 was a close, but you got to remember, it was down 2 points, 2 full points on Friday. So some major moves in treasuries. Yesterday's high in the bond market was 151.22, is that peak there when people were scrambling to get out of stocks and into bonds. Crude oil down below 60 once again, down $1.30 yesterday at 58.30, but still stuck in this range. And gold saw a bounce, but not as much as you might think. Got as high as 11.88, ended up closing at 11.79, which is up a paltry $6. So after the heavy unwinding yesterday and a lot of anxiety, where did the market stand here on this Tuesday morning with a shortened trading week, mind you? Well, we're up 12 in the S&P. We're back to where we opened up on Sunday night in the S&P futures at 2062. So we'll see where we can bounce from here. Dow futures up 77, 17,597, and the Nasdaq up 17 points at 43.95. The dollar is coming back some. It's up 42, back above the 95 level, which we've talked about is kind of a pivot on a weekly basis. 95.37. The euro currency right at 112, 111.94 actually, down 72. Bonds are going nowhere after the big move yesterday, 150.26. So we've seen bond prices bounce back up and yields bounce down. But let's remember, we were at some very, very, very low levels here in treasuries going into yesterday. Crude oil up 20 cents at 58.50, and gold's down $7 at 11.71. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours ago before the cash stock market opened, we're bouncing back a bit, up 12, which would be a good day most days, at 2062 in the S&P, up 77 in the Dow futures, and up 17 in the Nasdaq 100. I will see you early Wednesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.